Namaste, good morning everyone, and also welcome to today's mathematics class. In the previous class, we have completed chapter 4, that is cubes and cube roots. Hope you have revised well. In today's session, we shall discuss a new chapter, that is the 5th chapter, playing with numbers. Let's move on to the topic. In this chapter, we will learn about some interesting puzzles. Let us take any two-digit number 51 and reverse or interchange its digits. 51 interchange the digits means 1 sum. The next step is we have to find the sum. Sum means we add the reverse number to the original number. Okay, so 51 plus 15 is equal to 66. Then the next step is you have to find the difference. 51 minus 15. 51 minus 15. 1. It's not possible. 11. 11 minus 5. 6. Here 4. 4 minus 1. 3. It's equal to 36. One more example. Other two-digit number 74. And the reverse, after 10 the digits, 74 means 47. The sum, we add the original number to the reverse number. 74 plus 47. 74 plus 47. 7 plus 4, 11. Balance 1. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 121. The next step is you have to find out the difference. Difference means 74 minus 47. 74 minus 47. 4 minus 7 is not possible. So we take 1. 14. 14 minus 7 7. Here 6. 6 minus 4 2. 27. Okay, one more example. The original number is 92. The two-digit number is 92. And the reverse number is 29. You have to find out the sum. 92 plus 29 and plus 2, 11. Balance 1. 1 plus 9, 10 plus 2. So 92 plus 29 is equal to 92 plus 29 is equal to 121. Then difference 92 minus 29. 92 minus 29. Here 12. 12 minus 9. 3. Here 8. 8 minus 2. 6. 63. Okay. Do you notice any pattern? First look at the sum. Here the sum is 66. Here 121. Here 121. The next difference is 36, 27 and 63. Look at the sum. Yeah, the sum is always a multiple of 11. 11 6 are 66. Okay. Then 11 11s are 121. Here 11 11s are 121. Okay. So sum is always a multiple of 11. Sum is always a multiple of 11. Do you notice any pattern the different side? Difference 36, 27, 63. Yeah, difference is always a multiple of 9. 9 4s are 36, 9 3s are 27, 9 7s are 63. So the difference is always a multiple of 9. Next, we shall discuss the generalized form of a number. Let us take a two-digit number 45. Okay, in 45, the place value of 5 is 5 ones. The place value 4 is 4 tens. So 45 can be written as 4 tens means 4 into 10 plus 5 ones means 5 into 1. Okay, is equal to 4 into 10 plus 5. So in generally, in 2-digit number, the general form of a 2-digit number can be written as 10a plus b. 10 into a plus b. Here a is the tens digit and b is the ones digit. Generally it can be written as 10a plus b, where a is the digit in the tens place and b is the digit in the ones place. Okay. Here it's a 2-digit number. And for any 3-digit number, for example, 293. In 293, the place value of 3 is 3 ones, 9 is 9 tens, and 2 is 2 hundreds. So it can be written as 2 into 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 3 into 1 is equal to 2 into 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 3 into 1 is 3. So the generalized form of a 3-digit number is this 100. Okay, so 100a plus 10, 10b plus the constant c. Here a is the digit in the hundreds place and b is the digit in the tens place and c is the ones place, digit in the ones place. So generalized form of 2-digit number, the generalized form of 3-digit number. The generalized form of a number. The generalized form of a 2-digit number is 10a plus b, where a is the digit in the tens place and b is the digit in the ones place. The next one, the generalized form of a 3-digit number, 100a plus 10b plus c. Here a is the digit in the 100 place, b is the digit in the tens place and c is the digit in the ones place. Next we shall discuss the exercise problems. The first problem from exercise 5.1, express the following numbers in the generalized form. The first option 73. So it is a 2-digit number. Here we already studied the generalized form of a 2-digit number is 10a plus b. Okay. Here the unit digit is 3. So 3 ones and the tens digit is 7. 7 tens. So it can be written as 7 into 10 plus 3 ones means plus 3. Okay. The next option is 123. The generalized form of a 3-digit number is 100a plus 10b plus c. Here the unit digit is 3, tens digit is 2 and the ones digit is 100 digit is 1. So it can be written as 1 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 3 into 1 means 3. The last option, option D, 405. The same as above. The generalized form of a 3-digit number is 100a plus 10b plus c. Here 5 ones, 0 tens, 4 hundreds. So 4 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 5 into 1, 5. The next question, question number 2. Express the following in the numeral form. The first option, 5 into 10 plus 2 into 1. When we compare the generalized form of a two-digit number, 10a plus b. Here, a is 5 and b is 2. Is equal to 52. The next option, 3 into 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 1 into 1. When we compare the generalized form of a three-digit number, 100a plus 10b plus c. Here, a is 3, b is 9 and c is 1. So, is equal to 391. 391. Option D, 9 into 100 plus 1 into 10. Here, no ones are there. Okay. So, when we compare the generalized form of a three-digit number, 100a plus 10b plus c. Here, c is 0 and b is 1 and a is 9. So, it can be written as 9, 1, 0. No ones are there. So, we put 0. 910. Next, question number 5. The option A. Find all the different three-digit numbers that can be made using the numerals 1 and 2. Find their sum. You have to write the different three-digit numbers using the numerals 1 and 2. Okay. First, we can put all three digits as 1. All three digits as 1. Fix 1 at the 100 place. The remaining digits we can put or we can fill by using 2. Next, we can fix 1 in the 1 at the 100 place. The remaining digits 2 and 2. Next, we can fix 1 at the 1's place and the remaining digits we can fill by using 2 and 2. The one is over. Then, next step is first we can put all three digits 2. 2, 2, 2. Next, we can fix 2 at the 100th place. The remaining digits we can fill by using 1 and 1. Then we can fix 2 at the 10th place. The remaining digits 1. Then we can fix 2 at the 1's place. The remaining digits we can fill by using 1. 2 is over. So, 8 different three-digit numbers are there. Next step is we have to find their sum. Sum is equal to 111 plus 122 plus 212 plus 221 plus 222 plus 211 plus 121 plus 112. Now to add, okay? Add these two. 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 1 3. 333 plus. So you have to add these two numbers. Then these two numbers 3, 3, 3. 333. Again add these two numbers. 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 1 3. 3, 3, 3. Plus add these two numbers. 3, 3, 3. Is equal to add 333, 333, 333, 300. 30. Add 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, 12. Balance 1. Again 12, 12 plus 1, 30. Again balance 1, 12 plus 1, 30. So the sum is 1332, 1332. Next option B, show that the sum is a multiple of 37. Here the sum is 1332. I have to show 1332 is a multiple of 37. You have to divide 1332 by 37. 37. Divide. How many 37s are? 133. 3, 37. 37 into 3. 3 37s are 111. Then balance 2, 2, this 2. Okay. Then 6 37s are 222. The remainder is 0. So the sum 1332 is equal to 37 into 36. Therefore, 1332 is a multiple of 37. The next question number 6. Find the values of A and B in the following problems. Option A, 2A6 plus 3, 7B. The answer is 594. 594. Now to find out the values of A and B. Here the multiple digits are 6 and B. The answer is 4. 6 plus something is equal to 4. That is not possible because 4 is less than 6. So 6 plus something is equal to 14. So B is equal to 8. B is equal to 8. So 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. The balance 1. Balance 1. That balance 1 plus 7 is 8. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus something is equal to 9. 8 plus something is equal to 9. So the value of A is 1. The value of A is 1. So 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 1 balance 1, 9. 3 plus 2 is 5. So B is equal to A and A is equal to 1. A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 8. The next option B, 3A9 minus B23. The answer is 226. 226. You have to find out the difference. 9 minus 3, no, 6. Then A, we don't know the value of A. A minus 2 is 2. So the value of A is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. Then 3 minus something is 2. So 3 minus dash is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. So the value of A is 4 and the value of B is 1. The value of A is 4 and the value of B is 1. Yes, question number 7. Some numerals in the following numbers have been replaced by letters. Find the missing numerals with the help of the addition and subtraction statements. 787 plus 111 is equal to 888. Here the operation is addition. Okay. So we have to run 787 plus 111. The answer is 888. 888. We have to find out the value of A. Missing letter A. We have to find out the value of A. No, 7 plus 1, 8. Correct. Then A plus 1 is 8. We don't know the value of A. So A plus 1 is 8. So the option, the value of A is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So A is 7. Then 7 plus 1 is 8. So A is equal to 7. The next question, 595. The next option, option C, 595 minus 2C2 is equal to 333. Here the operation is minus. So 595 minus 2C2, the answer is 333. So 5 minus 2 is 3. We have to find out the missing letter C. 9 minus C is 3. 9 minus something is equal to 3. So C is 6. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. So C is equal to 6. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So the value of C is 6. Option 8. Some numerals in the following numbers have been replaced by letters. Find the missing numerals with the help of the multiplication and division statements. M32 into 2 is equal to 864. M32, here the operation is multiplication into symbol. Into 2, the answer is 864. But to find out the missing letter M. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. M into 2 is equal to 8. So the value of M is 4. So M is equal to 4. 4 2s are 8. M is equal to 4. The next option, option B, NAA divided by 4 is equal to 222. NAA, here the dividend is NAA divided by 4, divisor is 4, the quotient is 222. So we have to take a number, when we divide that number by 4, we get the quotient 2. So the answer n is equal to 8. Here n is equal to 8. So how many 4s are 8? 2 4s are 8. So n is equal to 8. Question number 9. Find the values of P in the following sums. Option A, P34 plus 678 is equal to 1012. P34 plus 678, the answer is 1012. Now the operation is addition, plus. So 4 plus 8, 12. The balance 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 7, 11. The balance 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus P. 7 plus something is 10. So the value of P is 3. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus something is 10. So the value of P is 3. P is equal to 3. The next option, option B, 595 minus 23p is equal to 359. Here the operation is difference, minus, subtraction. 595 minus 23p, the answer is 359. Minus, so 5 minus something is 9, so that is not possible. Okay, so 15 minus something is 9. 15 minus 6, yes, p is equal to 6. 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. So the tens place is less than 1. So 8. Tens place is 8. 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. And 5 minus 2 is 3. So the value of p is 6. P is equal to 6. Question number 10. Find the values of R in the following sums. First one, option A, 2R3 into 5 is equal to 1015. 2R3 into 5. The answer is 1015. Try to find the value of R. 5 3s are 15. 5 balance 1. Then the answer is 1. Okay. So we have to find the value of R. The only possibility is R is equal to 0. So 0 into 5 is 0. 0 plus the remainder one is 1. Okay. So the possibility of R is 0. Then 2 into 5, 10. So R is equal to 0. Once again, 5 3s are 15. Then balance 1. Here the answer is 1. The possibility of R is 0. 5 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 5 into 2 is 10. So the value of R is 0. The next one is option B. 804 divided by 2 is equal to 4R2. 804 divided by 2. The quotient is 4R2. 4 2s are 8. The next number 0. So the quotient is 0. So the possibility of R is 0. Then 2 2s are 4. So the value of R is 0. Today we have completed the first exercise from the chapter Playing with Numbers. Hope it is clear for you all. If you have any doubt, please note it and keep. We will discuss it during the online session. Thank you for watching. Namaste.